4th Fraser Cup championship. Striking from the right wing circle there. It's a nice wrist shot, just barely entering the zone. Michael DeBrito gets the goal. Entered with speed, flicked it on net, and scores. And
we got a broken stick. Oh, and Alexandria is able to bury one on the short side with 34.5.
Get it out of the zone, and here they come 2-on-1 at the blue line. Mack, though, hustling back. There's a shot on. Save got deflected, but it pokes right back out in front, and the Blizzard.
Guy from Faribault, his first game on the ice for the Steel. Good to see him get in, get some action early. Quick little breakaway now for the Blizzard. Quick shot, nice backhand move by number 25 for the. He is followed closely there by the new guy Zach Seigert. Here comes Tashida. Tashida into the nice move. Tries center, and she's top shelf over the left shoulder of. Quick breakaway there for Josh DeLang. He's got picked the pocket and was able to get it back to the Steel players. Now they come down on 2-on-1. Shot and goal. God darn it. God darn it. God, DeLang had a nice play over there to Shelley.
Here for the shot. West makes that save. DeBrito, he's behind the net trying to make a play here. Hadlin takes a shot. And that one goes upstairs just under the water bottle. Not much to do there.
there's a centering pass. He scores! Michael DeBrito!